Well, before I get started on that grill, I'm going to clean the sink. And I've got some Lestoil here I'm going to use today. That will be featured in an upcoming mopping video, but today I'm going to use it on the old sink. Nice thick cleaner. Nice strong outdoory smell. Oh yeah, look at that. That is nice. Looks like it did a fine job. At least as good as it's going to get. Give it a little rinse. Give it a shower, that's better. And the sink is ready to go for the season. It's not leaking anymore, so that's very awesome. Now for the next project, we need to tackle the grill. Need to replace the igniter and put the new propane bottle on it.